I am a Muslim girl. I want to debate. Okay. Muslim girl want to debate. Hello?
Hello.
Yes. You are live on air. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you? So, my English is not that much good, but I want you to show me why it's not peaceful, because I think it's a peaceful religion. Also, I think that a human can't be a son of God. So I want you to show. I want to know why you said that.
So the first question you're asking, why I think Islam is not peace?
Exactly.
Okay. Do you think terrorists are against peace? Terrorists.
Sure, terrorists are against peace.
Against peace, right? So was Muhammad a terrorist?
I think that no.
Okay, can you read for me this hadith in front of you? It says here that I am the Prophet Muhammad. I was victorious by terror. And this is authentic hadith.
Wait a minute, please.
Yeah. It says, I was victorious. No, take your time, no problem. I was victorious by terror.
Okay, I'm gonna check.
No problem. This is Sahih. This is Sahih Muslim. I can send you the link if you want, so you can open it from your side if you want.
Okay.
Let me send you the link.
Yeah. Among the most excellent of your days is Friday, so invoke many blessings on you on that day.
No, I don't know. I think you have a slow internet. Click at the link I just sent you. I sent you the link for it. It says that that is what Abu Hurairah reported to us from Messenger of Allah that he narrated, in which Muhammad he said, "I've been helped by terror. I was victorious by terror." This is the Muslim translation, not my translation, and this is Sahih Muslim, which means this is authentic. Okay, so Muhammad is a terrorist himself. His victory as a prophet was not happening because he's a peaceful man, was happening because he's a terrorist. In different hadith, Muhammad, he said, I was victorious by terror from a distance of 1 month journey.
I open the link.
Yeah. Let me give you the other hadith too.
And I'm reading the hadith. حدثنا محمد بن رافع حدثنا عبد الرزاق نصرت بالرعب وأوتيت جوامع الكلم.
I'm so glad you speak Arabic. That's perfect.
Exactly, I can speak Arabic more than English.
Okay.
My Arabic is better than English.
That's wonderful. So what do you think? And this is different hadith in Sahih Muslim, and we can show it in the other book. It says that he was victorious from a distance by terror, بالرعب, and you speak Arabic, so now translation cannot fool us. That's wonderful. It says نصرت بالرعب من مسيرة شهر. نصرت بالرعب from a distance of 1 month journey. So people, when they hear about Muhammad from a month far distance, they get terrified, and Muhammad is victorious by terror. Imagine how much they fear Muhammad, terrorist.
يعني يقصد في هذا الحديث أنه استعمل الرعب والعنف.
Okay, but so you know, I asked you, my friend, I asked you, was Muhammad a terrorist? You said no, correct? But but the reference in front of us saying not only he was a terrorist, he was the biggest terrorist in his time, to the point even people, they get terrified from a distance of 1 month journey. When Jesus come to a town, do people get scared and terrified from a month journey? No, they go to welcome him, right? When Muhammad, they hear that he is coming, it says here that people get terrified from a month journey. And I send you the hadith from Al-Bukhari too. It says, I've been given 5, nobody been given them before me. نصرت بالرعب مسيرة شهر. Do you see it? So the first one we have to confirm, me and you, and we agree, and as long as you speak Arabic, which make it easier for me, that Muhammad was a terrorist. What do you think? Are you with me? Hello? Are you there? I don't know what happened. I mean, the call is still going. She did not hang up yet, but maybe she have. Let me call her again. All right, you hear me now?
Hello.
Yeah, look like you lost your connection, no problem. So what do you think? Now we prove from Islamic reference, and as you see, this is Al-Bukhari, Muhammad saying that people are terrified because of me from a distance of 1 month journey. So he was a very big terrorist, correct?
Well, I don't know. I read this hadith for the first time. So
okay, let me ask you.
I want to listen to your arguments.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna think about that. I want to hear another side, not society or our teachers or not our parents. Just I want to know. I want to listen to another opinion, and that's it.
I understand. I respect that on you. And I'm not, this is the good thing to do actually, because listen what they say, listen what I say, and you have your eyes, and could you speak Arabic so you can check it out and see who's telling the truth. Let me ask you, my friend, I know your name, but you do not need to tell me your name. So you are like my sister, and you are more than welcome to call me anytime. So is it okay if I say to my neighbor, let us attack the neighbor? They have a blondie daughter, so we can take them. Is that okay?
I didn't get it. Sorry.
Okay, let us say I have a neighbor. Okay, he have five daughters. All of them, they are blonde. Is it okay to say to my friends, let us attack them so we can get the blondie girls? Is that okay?
No.
Okay. What if I show you your prophet? He says, attack the book so you can get the blondie girls and the women of the Roman.
And why?
Huh?
Why said that we should attack blonde women?
Your prophet said that. He said, let us attack the Roman so we can get the blondie girls. I can show it to you, put it for you in front of you on the screen, and you can read it. And here we go. I will use the official government website of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So you don't say, I don't, maybe this is not true. Here we go. This is Tafsir al-Tabari, page number 195. And I will give you the link, you can open it. And here,
Okay, I want the link.
Yeah, I will give you the link. Give me a second. And then, let me give you the link first. Hold on. Give me a second. So you can open it from your side. Okay, open it. This is the official government website of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. All right. So this is not like a private website or etc. It's very trustworthy website made by the government. So let us see what it says. It says here, attack the Roman. Read carefully. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. If you go down to the number, it says 16785. Do you see it in the page? 16785. Do you see
that? Okay. I see it.
It says here, attack the Roman. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم اغزوا تبوك تغنم بنات الأصفر ونساء الروم. فقال الجد ائذن لنا ولا تفتن بالنساء. Please burden me. Don't seduce us by women. So this is a prophet of God. He's asking his followers to attack the neighbor's country, not to spread religion of God, not to worship the true God. He is tempting them by getting the blonde women.
Okay, so he permits them to attack the blonde woman. That's it.
He asked them to attack the Romans so they can get the women who they are blonde, correct? That's what it says in Arabic.
Okay.
How that can be a prophet of God? I asked you from the beginning, is it okay? You remember, yeah, it's not good. I told you, I have a neighbor, he have 5 daughters and they are blonde. Is it okay to tell my friends, let us attack them so we can get the blondie girls of that house? You said, no, this is bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of a prophet this prophet is, asking you to attack the neighbors, and the purpose is, he's not telling them to, so we can teach about Allah. So no, attack them so you can get the blondie girls and the women of the Roman. And then there's a guy was sitting there, he is a decent man, he said, don't seduce us by women, لا تفتن بالنساء, and that is a verse in the Quran about it. And Allah made a verse supposedly saying that this guy is a bad person. Imagine the guy who is saying to Muhammad, don't seduce us by women. He is the bad guy, not Muhammad. Do you hear me? I think I lost her again. Okay, let us call again. The devil don't want her to talk to us. All right. Hello?
Hello.
Okay, so what do you think, my friend? What do you think?
Well, what you said, or the hadith that I see, is not good. It's bad.
It's not good. Muhammad is not a good person. Obviously, he's a very, this is, I'm not trying to insult, I'm just trying to share with you what I think. And I believe you agree with me already. Imagine I say to my friends, okay, I don't know what's your name. Let us say I say to my friend, oh, this girl, she is blonde, she's beautiful. Let us attack her and take her. I mean, what kind of religion this religion is? He's not saying, okay, those are enemies. And, he's saying to them, tempting them literally, go attack them so you can get the blondie girls. This is the purpose of this war.
I see this hadith for the first time because they teach us that Muhammad is a good person. They said, رفقا بالقوارير, رفقا بالنساء.
Okay.
There's سورة كاملة للنساء. Just be good with women, etc. That's it.
First of all, when Muhammad
hadith,
when Muhammad he says رفقا بالقوارير, that is an insult. Are you a ball? Is this what Muhammad is saying on you? You are just a container?
No.
Yeah, but that's mean.
No, I'm not a container.
Okay, that's what he says.
But in Arabic, you know that Arabic is a rich. Arabic is a rich language.
No problem.
So al-qawarir.
Al-qawarir is a container.
Okay,
it's a container. Doesn't matter what you say. It's a container. So he made a container. Let me ask you: do Muhammad respect you as a woman? Do he respect you as a woman?
They teach us that yes, he respects the woman.
I'm going to show you.
He loves his woman, his wife.
My sister, do you look like a shaitan?
Sorry.
Do you look like a shaitan? I'm not insulting you. I'm just, remember, everything we say here is just for the sake of education. I'm asking you, do you look, and that's why I'm calling you my sister, so you don't feel offended. Do you look like a shaitan? Do you think women, they look like shaitan?
Never.
Okay, so how Muhammad, he said in this hadith, that women, إِنَّ الْمَرْأَةَ تُقْبِلُ فِي صُورَةِ الشَّيْطَانِ وَتُدْبِرُ فِي صُورَةِ الشَّيْطَانِ. The women, he didn't say this women, he says the women. The women advance in the image of shaitan, and retreat in the image of shaitan. Okay, but how this is a respect to you? Do you really believe that women, she is a shaitan?
ما فهمته من هذا الحديث. What I understood from women no, not that exactly, but women generally, كيد النساء, he talk about كيد النساء, and we all know that women لسنا ما همش سهلين, يعني the women are not that much.
my friend, this is an idea.
Maybe he's talking about,
you see, this is okay. Listen, when we say women are not easy, is men easy? Here we go. You have a prophet. He keep okay. Women are bad. They are not easy, and he want to have 13 of them. So who is the one is not easy? Who is the one is evil? If I am a person who in love with the women, a person who have decency, he will go after a woman, he love her, he marry her, have a family, but keep having more and more and more and more. Obviously, you are treating women as a you know, for the sexual pleasure. There's no love there. There's a lust. So Muhammad is, if he really is saying that women are not easy, but the woman here, she did not do anything. She just walked in front of him. You see the story? A woman, she walked by. She did not do anything. She is not wearing bikini. They are not in the beach. She's a Muslim woman. They are wearing a veil. She walked in front of him. Muhammad, he got so excited. He went to his wife. She was doing leather tanning, and he forced her into sex. And then he came back and he explained why he left. He left his friends. He says, women, she come as a devil and she retreat as a devil. But the woman, she did not do anything. You hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
But this woman did anything? No.
Hello, I'm here.
Yeah, but this woman did anything? She did not do anything. She just walked by. So if you are walking in front of me, now you became a bad person just because you walk in front of me. Is that fair? She did not even talk. She did not even look at him. She did not do anything wrong.
It's unfair.
Okay, so she walked by, and Muhammad saying that women, she come as an image of a devil, and she leave in the image of the devil. And what she did nothing. She just walked by. So who is the devil here? What do you think? Is that a decent man?
Well,
do you like to see? Do you like to have a husband? Do you like to have a husband? He see a woman outside walking by. He got horny because he saw her. So he come to you? That means he's not coming to you, really. It is her who made her excited. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So what kind of a prophet is?
Yeah, I understand.
This is disgusting. Where is decency? They keep saying to us the prophet was decent.
I want to know also why God في المسيحية not the God in Islam.
Well, here we go. The question is very simple. If the God of the Islam is the same as the God of the Christian, then Jesus says, if your eye is going to fool you, take it away from your head. Take it away, better than going to hell. Jesus, he did not allow us to go around and look at women, and then wherever women should walk by, we follow our lust. Jesus, he said, it's better to take away your eye, which is leading you into lust, leading you to hell, from going to hell. Take it away. So Jesus is 180 degree the opposite of Muhammad. Jesus, he said, the man, he married a woman and he loved the women. And
لكن في الديانة المسيحية وفي الديانة الإسلامية هنالك الجنة وهنالك الجحيم، هنالك الجزاء وهنالك العقاب. الدين المسيحي كان يحرم الزنا كما يحرمه الإسلام. الدين المسيحي يعني هناك صفات مشتركة ما بين الديانتين.
No, let us stop here. Let's stop. So, guys, we have to translate for you, because remember, they don't understand. So, guys, she is saying that Islam and Christianity, they forbid the same thing. As an example, Christianity forbid adultery and Islam forbid adultery. That's not true. Muhammad is adulterous according to the Bible by doing this. This is adultery because he just looked at the woman, she is not his, and then he went to his wife. This is adultery. Secondly,